What's going on YouTube? Today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be shredding a completely abandoned motocross track. Now this track used to belong to my girlfriend's brother, Kian Densler. He used to race professionally before he switched over from motocross to cycling and hasn't touched this track in probably 5 or 6 years. It's pretty tucked away in the woods, not super wide, very backyard feeling track, but super fun to ride in a super cool, unique location. Now, I apologize in advance with the track being tucked way back in the woods and lighting being very minimal. The footage may look a little grainy, may look a little light, but I did my best to kind of work with what I had and kind of give you guys at least a little bit of something to watch. Anyways, I'm gonna throw you guys on board and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so which way does it go?
He used to go both ways, but it used to come this way. He used to hit the corner and then come this way.
And I can link in like all these grown over corners?
Yep.
Oh, so, okay. So it's not like I cross here.
You go this way and then come up this way.
Okay. So many different ways you could ride this track, from my understanding. I'm just gonna keep it simple for now. I go straight here. You can like barely see where the track was, which is what makes it pretty unique and fun. Ball went off.
pretty sick. It's pretty fun. I still get a little confused, but it's pretty cool. Let's go over to that one corner. I want to get that one clip. Yeah, like right here, just the one axe. That's gonna be tight. Okay. That's sick. Shoot through the trees right here, just aim and just, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna ride it backwards a little bit. A couple laps. Okay, I gotta remember where I'm going again. I got tinted lenses on too, so I can't see much. Oh, I keep forgetting where I'm going.
Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video. Again, I apologize for the grainy and kind of blown out footage. Didn't have any different ND filters or just the basic lens for my onboard camera with me, so I kind of just decided to run it, and if the footage looked good enough to kind of work with, then we worked with it. So I figured it was worth making a video on this track because it is a really unique track in a really unique location that has basically not been touched in 5 or 6 years. Anyways, if you've made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.